Hello, today's lesson is called Do you have any tents? In this lesson, we are going to study countable and uncountable nouns and the uses of determiners some and any. Nouns in English can be countable and uncountable, and they can be formed in singular and plural. Look at the first chart. Read the words. A commercial airline. A report. A customer. An advertisement. They are countable nouns. Software, money, and work are uncountable nouns. Why? Look at the second chart. Is it okay to say some commercial airlines? 3 reports? Lots of customers? 5 advertisements? Yes, it's okay. Can we say softwares, monies, works? Can we pluralize uncountable nouns? No, we can't. That's the difference between countable and uncountable nouns. And that's a rule. There are exceptions to this rule. So, some nouns can be used in both forms, countable and uncountable nouns. Look at this image and read some examples. You can say 1 hair or 2 hairs when you refer to a piece of hair, or 2 or 3 of them. Hair is uncountable when it is the mass of hair we have on our heads. Light is countable when it refers to a piece of equipment that produces light, like a light bulb. But it is uncountable when referring to the brightness that comes from the sun or electricity. Noise can be countable if you refer to a piece of strong or unpleasant sound. And it's uncountable when generalizing. Paper is countable when referring to the newspaper or exams. It is uncountable when referring to the material we use for writing or drawing, for example. Room is countable, however, if it means the part of the inside of a building. Room is uncountable if it means space. Time is countable if you refer to an occasion when something happens. Time is uncountable when referring to minutes, days, years, etc. in general. Work is countable when it is a painting or a book. Work is uncountable if it refers to the activities you do as part of your job. Let's look at 3 examples to understand the uses of some and any. Number 1. Sometimes we don't know the exact quantity of something. For example, if I ask you, how many of your colleagues speak Chinese? Perhaps 3, 4, or 5 of them speak Chinese, but you don't know the exact number, so you say some of them. You don't give a specific number. Number 2. A person asks, "Have you got any emails today?" It's similar to, "Have you got some emails today?" And you say, "No, I haven't got any emails yet," because you have received no emails yet. Three. The last case is special. Look at the example. "Would you like some coffee?" You are offering coffee to somebody, so the person might say, "Yes, please." We can use some in special questions when you offer or ask for something. Got it? These are the uses of some and any. This chart shows a summary of what we have studied regarding some and any. Read it carefully in silence. Remember to reinforce this topic. Visit the web links and practice the exercises to consolidate the uses of some and any. Let's practice some and any. Read this conversation between a salesperson at Supersport and a customer. Circle the correct words. Take notes on a piece of paper for you to check later. Are you ready? You have 3 minutes to do it. Make a pause if you need more time. Here you are the answers. Check yours, please. I hope that all your answers are correct. Let's practice a bit more. You now have to fill some gaps with some or any. Write your answers on a piece of paper. Ready? Okay, you have 3 minutes to do this exercise. Make a pause if you need more time. Now let's check your answers. Here are the correct complete sentences with some or any. Letter A. There aren't any good restaurants in this town. B. Don't worry about lunch. I've brought some sandwiches. C. You need some scissors to cut the paper. D. Have you got any brothers or sisters? E. I think you owe me some money. F. We'd like to stay longer, but we don't have any time. G. Could you give me some information, please? H. Sorry, we don't have any tickets left. I. Could I have some water, please? J. There weren't any letters for me this morning. Hey, are there any messages for me? L. There are some chairs in the other room. Let's practice some vocabulary. You have a list of verbs and a list of nouns. Follow the example. Is it clear? Write your matchings on a piece of paper. Do this exercise in 1.5 minutes. Make a pause if you need more time. Okay, let's check your answers. Number 1 is the example. Wear a jacket. Repeat after me. Wear a jacket. Number 2 is put up a tent. Repeat. Put up a tent. Number 3 is ride a bike. Repeat. Ride a bike. Number 4. Put on skis. Repeat. Put on skis. Number 5. Read a map. Please repeat. Read a map. Finally, number 6. Carry a backpack. Repeat. Carry a backpack. Now, let's reinforce your vocabulary. Here you are some information about jackets. Read the charts and then read the incomplete conversation between a salesperson and a customer. Complete the conversation with appropriate vocabulary. You can start. Make a pause if you need more time. Now complete the second conversation between a salesperson and a customer. Complete the conversation with appropriate vocabulary. You can start. Make a pause if you need more time. Okay, let's check your answers to conversation 1. Read the answers silently for some seconds. Okay, now listen to me and say each line of the dialogue after me. I'd like to buy a good jacket. Well, the Explorer is very popular. How much is it? $249. That's too expensive. How about the Wanderer? Sorry, but it's out of stock. We are expecting some more in 3 days. Okay, I'll try somewhere else. Okay, let's check your answers to conversation 2. Read the answers silently for some seconds. Okay, now listen to me and say each line of the dialogue after me. I'd like to buy an Explorer jacket for my son. He's 10. Sorry, we only have adult sizes. Sorry, we are out of stock at the moment. We are expecting some next week. Do you have other jackets? We have some Wanderer jackets in stock. Can I see them, please? So, let's sum up what we have studied today. Number 1. There are countable and uncountable nouns in English. Number 2. We use some and any when we don't know the exact number or quantity of something. Number 3. There are some specific uses of some and any. Check slides 5 and 6 again to remember.